Installing a door may seem like a straightforward task, but achieving a professional finish requires skill and precision. Whether you're upgrading your home's security, improving curb appeal, or simply replacing an old, worn-out door, professional door installation in Manassas ensures your door fits perfectly, functions smoothly, and adds lasting value to your property. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to expect from a professional door installation service. Consultation and assessment. The first step in any professional door installation project is a thorough consultation. During this phase, the installation team will assess your existing door frame, your home's style, and any specific requirements or preferences you have. This might include choosing the right type of door, whether it's an exterior or interior door, sliding, hinged, or a French door. Professionals will also check the door frame for any damages or structural issues, ensuring a perfect fit. The consultation will also allow the experts to recommend materials that suit your needs, whether you prefer wood, fiberglass, steel, or another material. Additionally, energy efficiency, security features, and design aesthetics will be discussed to ensure that the final product meets your expectations. Choosing the right door and hardware. Once the assessment is complete, it's time to select the perfect door for your home. The range of options available can be overwhelming, but a professional installer will guide you through the decision-making process. Whether you need an entry door, patio door, or storm door, professionals can help you choose one that aligns with your home's architectural style, provides durability, and matches your budget. You will also need to select the door hardware, such as handles, locks, and hinges. Professional door installers have access to high-quality hardware that enhances security and function. They will help you select the best locking mechanisms to ensure your home remains safe and secure. Door frame preparation. Before the door is installed, it's crucial that the door frame is properly prepared. If the existing frame is damaged or misaligned, professionals will make the necessary adjustments to ensure a snug, secure fit. If you are installing a new door in an existing opening, it's important that the frame is square, level, and properly sealed to prevent drafts and water leaks. Proper frame preparation is key to ensuring the door operates smoothly for years to come, without sticking or warping. Professionals use specialized tools to measure and level the frame, ensuring the best fit for the new door. Removing the old door. If you're replacing an old door, the next step is to carefully remove the existing door and its hardware. The door installation team will take care of this process with minimal disruption to your home. In some cases, the old frame may need to be replaced if it's too damaged or worn to support the new door. It's essential that the old door is removed without damaging the surrounding walls or trim. Professionals will use appropriate tools and techniques to safely remove the old door while preparing the space for the new installation. Installing the new door. Once the old door has been removed and the frame is prepared, the new door can be installed. This step involves positioning the door in the frame, checking its alignment, and ensuring it opens and closes smoothly. Professional installers will also pay close attention to the weather stripping, making sure the door is well sealed to prevent drafts and water infiltration. They will carefully check the door's hinges, locks, and handles, ensuring everything is properly aligned and functional. The installation team will also make any necessary adjustments to ensure the door operates as intended. Final adjustments and finishing touches. Once the door is in place, the installer will make final adjustments to ensure it fits perfectly. This might involve tweaking the door's swing or making adjustments to the lock mechanism. After confirming that the door functions properly, the team will clean up the work area, remove any debris, and apply finishing touches, such as touch-up paint or trim adjustments, to ensure the door looks seamless and polished. Post-installation inspection. And finally, the installation team will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in working order. This includes verifying that the door is properly sealed, aligns perfectly, and functions smoothly. You'll have the opportunity to ask any questions, and if necessary, schedule follow-up visits for minor adjustments. Why choose professional door installation? Choosing a professional installer for your door installation project in Manassas offers several advantages. Expertise. Professional installers have years of experience, ensuring that your door is fitted perfectly and functions correctly. Quality materials. You'll have access to high-quality doors and hardware that enhance the security and aesthetics of your home. Time saving. Installation experts complete the job quickly, with minimal disruption to your daily life. Long-term value. A well-installed door can last for decades, improving energy efficiency, home security, and curb appeal. When you invest in professional door installation in Manassas, you're ensuring a hassle-free, quality experience that provides lasting results. Whether you're installing a new door or replacing an old one, the process will be straightforward, efficient, and done right the first time.